Are you curious about what keeps you alive every moment of the day? Imagine a powerhouse organ tirelessly working day and night, pumping life through your veins and fueling your every move and thought. Join me on an exciting journey into the fascinating world of the human heart. Get ready to be amazed by the heart's relentless dedication and its vital role in keeping you alive. Hello and welcome back to Spill Edge. Today, we're exploring the heart, the engine of our body. From its vital functions and amazing facts to the foods that can either boost or harm its performance, I've got it all covered. Do you know that over a lifetime, your heart will beat around 2.5 billion times? Day and night, your heart tirelessly pumps around 7,500 liters of blood each day. And let's find out how this is possible. We'll begin with Chapter 1, Functions of the Heart. What is the heart? How does it look like? It's obviously not this. The heart is a muscular organ about the size of your fist, located slightly to the left of the center of your chest. It pumps blood all around your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your tissues and removing waste products. Let's see what the heart does. You might have heard about the cardiovascular system. Yes, that system is a network of arteries and veins used by the heart to pump blood into your body. Blood is like the delivery guy who carries oxygen from the lungs to every part of the body and returns carbon dioxide to the lungs to be exhaled. The blood also delivers essential nutrients from the digestive system to cells throughout the body. Finally, the blood transports waste products to the kidneys and liver for detoxification and excretion. Quite some task for the poor delivery guy, huh? Now the heart is divided into 4 chambers. The right side has 2 chambers that receives deoxygenated blood from the body and pumps it to the lungs. The left side also has 2 chambers. It receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it to the rest of the body. This cycle happens continuously, keeping you alive every moment of the day. Your heart rate adapts to your activity level, speeding up during exercise and slowing down during rest. How cool is that? Have you ever felt your heart race during a scary movie? Let me know in the comments below. Moving on to Chapter 2, Fascinating Facts. Now let's look at some amazing facts about the heart. Number 1, your heart beats about 100,000 times a day, pumping approximately 5 liters of blood per minute. Over a lifetime, that's over 2.5 billion heartbeats. Fact number 2, the heart has its own electrical system that controls the heartbeat. This system is like a natural pacemaker that can keep the heart beating even if it is disconnected from the body, as long as it has an adequate supply of oxygen. Fact number 3, the loved-up sound of your heartbeat is caused by the vibrations made by the closing of your heart valves as blood flows through its chambers. Fact number 4, the heart is incredibly strong. By the time you're 70 years old, your heart will have pumped nearly 1 million barrels of blood. That's insane, right? Fact number 5, the heart has its own intrinsic nervous system, sometimes called the heart brain. This network of neurons enables the heart to function independently of the brain, allowing it to regulate its own rhythm and rate. Fact number 6, the heart can synchronize with music. Studies have shown that listening to music with a steady rhythm can help regulate heart rate, which is why music therapy is used in cardiac rehabilitation. Fact number 7, a human heart starts to beat just 22 days after conception. At this stage, the heart is a simple tube-like structure, yet it already has the ability to pump blood. Amazing, isn't it? Fact number 8, the heart is not just a physical organ. It plays a role in emotional processing. The heart sends more signals to the brain than the brain sends to the heart, affecting emotions and cognitive functions. And fact number 9, the blood pumped by the heart travels through a network of blood vessels that, if laid end to end, would stretch approximately 60,000 miles, enough to circle the earth more than twice. The heart has fascinated scientists for centuries, from the early anatomists to the modern cardiologists. Understanding the heart's mechanics has been a key focus in medical science. Finally, Chapter 3, Foods for the Heart. Now let's talk about how you can nourish your heart. What you eat has a significant impact on your heart health. Here are some of the best foods for your heart. Number 1, oats. High in soluble fiber, which can lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Try starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal. Number 2, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and other berries are rich in antioxidants that reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. Number 3, fatty fish. Salmon, mackerel, and sardines are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce the risk of arrhythmias and lower blood pressure. Number 4, chia seeds. These tiny seeds are loaded with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants. They help lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve cholesterol levels. And number 5, jackfruit seeds. Often discarded, jackfruit seeds are rich in protein, fiber, and antioxidants. They help improve cholesterol levels and support heart health. On the flip side, there are some foods you should avoid to keep your heart healthy. Number 1, processed meats. Processed meats like bacon, sausage, and ready-to-eat meats are high in sodium, saturated fats, and preservatives, which can increase blood pressure and the risk of heart disease. Number 2, sugary drinks. High intake of sugary foods and drinks, including soda, candy, and pastries, can lead to obesity, insulin resistance, and type 2 diabetes, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. Number 3, trans fats. Found in many fried and processed foods, they can raise bad cholesterol levels and lower good cholesterol levels, increasing the risk of heart disease. Number 4, fast food. Fast food is often high in unhealthy fats, sodium, and calories, all of which contribute to weight gain, high blood pressure, and increased cholesterol levels, raising the risk of heart disease. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can lead to high blood pressure, heart failure, and stroke. It can also contribute to weight gain and liver disease, both of which can negatively impact heart health. And finally, energy drinks. Energy drinks are often high in sugar and caffeine, which can raise blood pressure and heart rate, increasing the risk of heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. Focusing on a heart-healthy diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats can help reduce the risk of heart disease and promote overall cardiovascular health. Remember, a healthy heart leads to a better quality of life. The heart is a remarkable organ that deserves our care and attention. By understanding its functions, appreciating its resilience, and nourishing it with healthy foods, we can support its vital role in our lives. Take care of your heart, and it will take care of you. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe to Spill Edge for more insightful videos. Let me know in the comments below what fact surprised you the most or what topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching and take care of your health. Until next time, bye-bye.